Hey guys, it's me Seamus, back with another video. Now this video, it's a little bit different than most because, well, it's not really FNAF related. Well, it sort of is, but not really. I'm actually going to show you how to use OBS, sort of. Just a little Kickstarter to get you started, because after I learned these few things on my own the hard way, well, it was pretty easy. So the way it works is like this. You boot it up, and this part that I'm circling with my cursor is a black spot. Like that right there. So that's gonna suck for you. So what you're gonna wanna do is, I'll bring it out here for you guys to see it better, is you're gonna go to sources, okay? And now sources, it's just, don't look at these, because it won't have those. It'll say like no sources or something. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna go down here to this plus sign, add source. Now this is just for recording your desktop, but it records anything you have on screen, like a screen recorder. So what we're going to do is you're going to go up here to display capture. Click on display capture. Now it should just display capture, but this is display capture new because I'm already doing it. So press OK. It should look like that. See? Simple. And it'll record anything you have on screen. I mean, we're not actually going to use that, but right now because I'm already recording. But that's how you do that. Simple. Now, I don't even know what scenes does. I don't even use that. I just use this to record and I edit somewhere else. So, let's say we want to open up a game. Now, see OBS. How am I going to do my recording? So you just open up your toolbar. Click it. It's right there. And, yeah. This is exactly what, this thing right here that you have just unlocked from your source working. That's exactly what the viewer is going to see. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the game. Now you don't see it at all, right? So, simple. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's really it. It's pretty easy. It's, a lot of people crack it up harder than it actually is to be. But right when you boot up, I also recommend doing something. If you go to Tools, there'll be a thing here that says Auto Configuration Wizard. Now, I already did the auto configuration wizard thing, but click on it and it should give you some help on how to do some certain things. Like, you can also use captions, which is some pretty cool stuff. See? I got captions on now. I mean, I don't really see it, but I don't know how to do that. This thing has plenty of other things, and I'm almost sure that I'm going to do more videos on it. Here's some filters, effects. You can do some defaults, add an effect. Like here, you can grab I don't know. Here you can color type blue. See, much better. Magenta custom color. So you can change the colors of your desktop completely by doing this. You want to have that all the way. Opacity. Probably want that cranked. Contrast, see, you can turn that up and down. Brightness, ooh. That's a touchy one, I wouldn't mess with that. Gamma, important one. I keep gamma, I'd say, right around 0.13 for my desktop. Perfect. Could add another one. The blend, image master blend, you know. So, yeah, guys. So see it as like filters for your channel, or filters for your video, perhaps. So it can help it look a little better if you don't like the way it's looking right now, and if you're embarrassed or whatever. Like, you can add color correction. Not that you'd want to have that on, but you could do like, you could brighten things up if they don't look right. You know, everything. You can do everything, essentially, on this thing. And if there's something you can't do, well, you can do it, you're just not looking hard enough, probably. And if you guys have any questions, tell me in the comments, and I'll try to take a look. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. That's really how you can start up your first your first OBS source for recording desktop and games. So, you just remember, the plus sign. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed.